to me?
Yeah.
Do you want to come back to me?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on sa mong mata. The answer is yes or no, not hold on.
No. Say that again.
Yeah?
What is your question again?
Do you want to come back to me?
I'm going to say this before. I'm not even going to answer that question. I'm going to reply to it. Exactly.
Yes or no is the question only. No other answer. I said my question is yes or no.
ข้ากับมีการจองเวรชาตินี้ฆ่าเขาชาติหน้าเขาก็มาฆ่าเราทำแบบนี้มันผิดศีล5ปานาติปา
Honey, nung binata ka pa, sino nagmamasahe ng ulo mo kapag sumasakit?
Wala. Kasi noon, hindi naman sumasakit yung ulo ko eh.
Kung ikaw ang magiging pangulo ng ating bansa, ano ang una mong gagawing proyekto?
Ibebenta ko Pilipinas. Ika man lang. Ika man